In this video, you're going to learn how you can make an extra 10K a month on autopilot. And as you can see here on one of the websites that we're going to be seeing today, Fiverr, people are making anywhere from $5 to $50 just by selling templates. If you go to Etsy, which is another website that we're going to be seeing today also, people are making anywhere from $11 to $30 just by selling automated templates that you create once and they sell forever. If you take a look at this guy right here, he sold 758 of these templates, which cost $10.79 each. So this guy alone has made more than 8 grand from this template that I can assure you he created once and it's still selling. This other guy here sold 970, this one 636, this one 1,687, this one the same, this other one 1,972, and this is all on autopilot. So if you're excited to see this method, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, because on this channel right here, all I do is teach you how you can make money online. I literally post free videos every single week non-stop here on this channel with different methods that you can use to make money online. So if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, what are you doing? You're going to miss the future videos. Go ahead and subscribe right now. So to perform this method, there are 2 ways that we can start doing this. You can choose whichever one you want to do. The first one is using TubeBuddy, which is a Chrome extension that lets you find keywords and how searched they are on Google. The second one is Google Trends. You can choose which one you want to use. For this example, I'm going to show you how you use both. So for TubeBuddy, which is going to be on the text file down below on the pinned comment, which is the top comment of this video, I'm going to leave all the resources there. For TubeBuddy, all you have to do is go into the text file below, install the plugin, and then you want to go to youtube.com. Okay, so once you're in youtube.com, you're going to see this option right here on your YouTube channel. What you want to do is click on that and it's going to show you a pop-up. This is going to be TubeBuddy, and it has a lot of options, but the only one that you need, if you missed where I clicked, it's on the top right corner right here where my cursor is. Just give it a click and it's going to show this page right here. But the only option that you need right now is the Keyword Explorer. So you can just click right here where my cursor is, Keyword Explorer, click on that. Now you should be able to see this page right here. And there are multiple things that you can sell. You're going to be selling templates, done for you templates that YouTubers can use, creators can use, normal people can use. And a few examples of those can be YouTube thumbnails, calendar templates that people can just print out or even use in their computer, media kit for creators, and you can also offer Instagram templates, which are trending right now, by the way. So as an example for this video, I'm going to search for Instagram templates and I'm going to see what the demand is for that right now. So what you have to do is click here on keyword and you want to type whatever it is you're looking for, Instagram template. Now it's going to show you the overall score of the keyword, but you don't want to know if it's good on YouTube. What you want to know is you want to go here on the right side and you want to click on Google, because you want to see if people are searching for that in Google. So let's see if people are searching for it. In the last 30 days, we had really good searches. You can see it goes up and down. In the last 12 months, it's also been trending up and down, up and down. So it's something that people are constantly looking for. It's not just something that people search once and then they stop searching for it. You can make sales using these all year round, and that's what we're looking for. So as you can see here, the number of monthly searches for these are 350,000. So it's a really good keyword. It's something that people are looking for. Let's try media kits, for example. So when I search media kits, it has insufficient data here on the monthly searches, but I can see here number of videos in search results. It are 32 million videos. So the Google results for it are also pretty good. It trended low here on December 2021, but it went up since then. Now if you search for calendar template, let's see if it's any good. Number of videos in search results 3.24 million. Number of monthly searches 629,000. So it's really good, and it's been trending up and down. Some months people buy it, some months people don't. Let's see in the 12 months. So as you can see, the calendar is pretty unstable. It can be sold all year round, but just be aware that in some months you're going to have some really bad sales using that. Okay, the other way you can do the same process that we just done with TubeBuddy is you can go to Google Trends. All you have to do to find Google Trends is just go to Google and type in Google Trends. It's going to be the first website that pops up. Just click on that. After you click on that, you want to search for a topic. The reason why I don't use Google Trends that much is because I'm not used to using it. I've already gotten used to use TubeBuddy, but you can also use this one if you want. So let's search for media kit, and as you can see, Google Trends is going to show you the same exact thing that we just saw on TubeBuddy. So that means you can choose any of the 2 that you want to choose. So the next step, you want to go to Etsy and Fiverr and you want to see the demand. How much are people paying for these products? How much do you have to price them? And how many sales people are making with these, which I just showed you at the beginning of the video. But if you were looking for this by yourself, you wouldn't know that. So I'm going to show you, if in the future you need to look for something else, this is how you do it. So let's start with Etsy. Go to etsy.com. Link will also be in a text file. You want to scroll up and you want to search for whatever it is that you're looking for. In my case, it's going to be Instagram template. I search for Instagram template, and I can see here the first ones that popped up. I can see that they're 5 stars, so people love them, and I can see that they have lots of sales. All right, so this means that people like these and that they sell really well. So let's go to Fiverr right now. So I searched Instagram templates on Fiverr, and if you scroll down, you're going to be able to see all of the people that are selling it, for how much, and the demand for it. You can just see that the amount of people that are buying it. So they're all 4.95 stars here as well. So this is something that people love, in my opinion, and you don't have to be afraid. Let's go start selling. Everything that I'm teaching here, I teach in my Pro University course. In my course, I teach you how you can create a profitable YouTube business. I teach you how you can create a cash cow YouTube channel that generates money for you without you having even to make videos. Or even you could create a personal YouTube channel like mine here. I teach all the secrets and insider details. This amount that you're seeing on the screen right now is just one YouTube channel that generates me passive income every single month. Now, what you're seeing on the screen right now is my personal YouTube channel, how many subscribers I've got in the last 28 days. I was able to achieve more than 60,000 subscribers in 28 days. This is an insane amount of growth, and I teach every single thing step by step inside the course. I also teach how you can set up an affiliate marketing business that you can set up once and it generates cash for you while you sleep on autopilot. I teach you how you can build a profitable e-commerce business, and also how to grow your social media and how to become an influencer using TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. Now, how much money do you think you need to be financially free? What would you do with an extra automated $10,000 to $15,000 every single month? Would you retire your family, travel the world, pay those student loans? Currently, this course is being launched one module every single week, and because of that, for the price of a night out meal of 49 bucks, you can start building your automated online business today. But if you really want to join, then hurry, because soon I'm going to be raising the price of the course, and for the people that have joined now while the course is still launching, I'm going to keep the price of 49 bucks a month. So if you're interested in building an online business, don't hesitate, go join now, and I'll see you inside. The way you're going to create these templates is using Canva, and I'm also going to leave the link for you in a text file. All you have to do is go to Canva. All right, now once you're in the homepage of Canva, all you have to do is create an account. If you use the link in a text file, then you're going to get 30 days for free. And like I said in my last video, if you want to get more 30 days for free, just create a new account and do the same thing. But once you're here, create your account, get 30 days for free. What you want to look for is you want to click this search bar right here, and you want to write Instagram, and it's going to show you a few options. You want to scroll down with the mouse, and you want to choose portrait, because we're going to be selling templates for people that want to post in their stories and in Instagram Reels, which is what is trending right now. So we're going to click portrait, and as you can see, they already have lots of done for you templates. Take a look at these. They're crazy. Look, you can just click on them and download it. You can click on one of these, edit them, and then download them and sell them. So let's choose this one because this one really caught my attention. So I clicked on it, it opened. All I have to do is just change the information here, add whatever it is that I want. Let's add my name. So Mr. Reese. Okay, so as you can see, it's that easy to change. If I wanted, I could change the background image, edit image. I can change anything about this. I can choose a different one over here. This is a pro template, and it's asking me if I want to change, replace current template. Yep, I'm just going to replace. And as you can see, this is an Instagram post. So all we have to do is remove this, click on it, put it like this, and then we can just save it here. Click on share on the top right corner, download, and we could sell this to anyone. So if you notice on Etsy, they don't sell just one of them. So all you have to do is bunch of them together. So they have like 250, 300, 400, 525, 100 Instagram templates. So all you have to do is bundle 100 of them. You go through like 50 to 100 of these templates, just download them to your computer, put them on a folder, and you're going to have your product ready to go. So like I said, all you have to do to download, just click share, go download right here, and then you want to click download. All right, now to be able to make these sales, you need to create an account in Fiverr and also in Etsy. I recommend that you use both websites to make more sales and make more money. It's just logic. You don't have to choose between one or the other. You can use both. And I already have 2 videos, one that shows you how you can create an account in Fiverr, and the other video is going to show you how you can create an account in Etsy. And I'm going to leave the link at the end of this video so you can just click and go watch those if you need to. So presuming that you already created your account in both of these websites, all you have to to do is go to them and list your gig. And when you list your gig, you need to price it. So I would just price it somewhere in the middle just to be safe, so you're not going to be overcharging for your product and undercharging either. Once you list your gig, it should look something like this. Okay, this is what an optimized gig looks like. It's not that hard to do. All you have to do is put a background image. And the great thing about Etsy and Fiverr is that they are search platforms, which means you don't have to advertise your products. People come here and they look for it. They choose Instagram template and they look for your product. That's why at the beginning of the video, we were looking at TubeBuddy and how many search results came up, how many people were searching for those search terms, because people look for it, so you don't have to go after the clients. It sells on autopilot. And now I'm going to show you another way. If you don't want to create the templates yourself, then you can just do this. Follow what I do, click where I click, and by the end of this video, you're going to be ready to start making money. So what you can do if you don't want to create the templates yourself and you have some cash laying around, doesn't have to be much. All you have to do is just go to Fiverr and pay someone around $5 to create some for you. Once they deliver, you're going to have full rights to sell it because you paid for it. Then once they deliver it to you, all you have to do is just list them on Fiverr and on Etsy, having done no work at all. Then all you have to do is just repeat the process. A side note that I want to show you is that if you use templates that are trending in a specific time of the year, like let's say it's Christmas and you do Christmas templates, let's say it's Father's Day and you do Father's template, right? You could make a lot of money in those dates. Let me show you why. If you go to Google Trends or TubeBuddy and you search for Christmas templates, it doesn't have to be Christmas, it can be any special date of the year, and you search for that and templates in front of it, you're going to see that it has a massive spike in Christmas because people are buying it in those times of the year. So if you want to make a lot of money and take advantages of those times, just create some templates and list them on the internet and you're going to see what I'm talking about. You can thank me later. If you want to learn these money making methods prior to seeing the videos here on YouTube and get early access to these methods, go join my Discord or my mailing list, because I always tell them first and record the video at the same time. But the video takes 7 days to be edited and posted to the channel. So if you want to get prior access, go join the Discord. So I know that these videos can get pretty confusing, so I want to recapitulate what we saw here step by step. So the first thing that you have to do is download and install TubeBuddy. The second thing that you have to do is look up the keywords of the thing that you want to sell and see if they're trending, see if they're a good idea to be sold right now or not. Go to Etsy and Fiverr and see the price people are selling those products, see if they have demand, and see if they're ranked high on those platforms, meaning they have 4 stars or more. I've given you some examples of things that you can sell, like thumbnails, calendars, templates. Next step, you have to go to Canva and use the done for you templates to create something a little different. Download them and put them into a folder. You have to download about 50 to 100, or you could just pay someone to make those for you and sell them. After you have them, create an account in Fiverr, create an account in Etsy. You can use the 2 videos that I've mentioned that you're going to see at the end of this one. List the gig for sale and watch the money roll in. And then you can just repeat the process. By the way, if you haven't yet, take advantage of the Webull offer to get up to 12 fractional shares valued up to $30,600 that Webull is offering for my subscribers. All you have to do is join the app for free and make any deposit of any amount just to validate your account, and they're going to give you these stocks. So if you haven't yet, go take advantage of that offer as well. It's in the text file. And now if you want to learn how to create those 2 accounts in Fiverr and Etsy, just click the 2 thumbnails on the screen right now and you'll be redirected to my next video. I'll see you there. Work hard, play harder.